it's my lunch. First one is kaddu ka patta, local chicken, oil sabji with meat on meat, king chilli, bamboo pickle. Let's dig in.
The next day.
गाइस तो अभी हम अपना कज़िन का घर आया है, तो मैं कज़िन को दिखाता हूँ. शी इज़ वेरी प्रिटी. देखो कितना मेकअप कर रही है. ये तो वो है ना,
मेकअप नहीं कर.
ये वो है, फेमस है ना, इंस्टा में फेमस है. ये
स्किन केयर कर रहा है.
अरे
पहले से वीडियो बनाया था ना, इसलिए मेकअप में है.
गाइस कल मैंने वीडियो नहीं किया था क्योंकि आई वाज सो टायर्ड, तो इसीलिए आज डायरेक्ट वीडियो कर रहा हूँ. तो अभी हम सब पानी पूरी खाने जाएंगे. गाइस तो अभी हम लोग दही लेने आया है मेन रोड की तरफ. भैया दही होगा ना? ये दो ना भैया, बड़ा वाला. नहीं अभी खाने में. We are going back. आराम से आओ. And we are making some green beans. ये लोकल लेमन है यहाँ का. तो इसके बाद ये
क्या था?
किंग चिल्ली
स्टाइल में ये है लोकल लेमन.
किंग चिल्ली क्या था सोना? लाई पत्ता and some chicken, rice. Luffy. Now we are going for a walk with my sister. Luffy. Hey guys, good morning. It's not good morning, it's afternoon. So abhi I'll have my lunch and after lunch I'll go back home. My cousin sisters is going to drop me off. और lunch में I'm gonna show you guys कि मैं क्या खा रहा हूँ. ठीक है? My lunch. Chicken, local lemon rice. Look at the view. आज मौसम बहुत अच्छा है. I'm in दुबई आज. नहीं तो अरुणाचल में बहुत बारिश हो रहा है. Where are you going? Now we are going for a walk. Me and my mother, she's going there. And look at the cloud. So pretty. Look at my mother. She's going so fast and left me alone. Hey, look at the view. Me too. Hey guys, so pretty. It's so hot, guys. Mother is up there. She's doing exercise, and I'm refreshing myself. Ooh, मजा आ रहा है. It's so nice. She's doing exercise. So guys, I'm back home, and it was nice working with my mother, and now I'm gonna have my dinner. इसके बाद I don't know, content इतना नहीं. I'm alone. So guys, my siblings, they are not here, तो I'm alone, इसलिए बहुत boring हो रहा है. Anyways, I'm gonna have my dinner now. इसके बाद I think ये vlog को इसी में end करूँगा, क्योंकि कुछ खास देखने को नहीं है. Today's dinner, same egg sabji with mutton meat, jungle pork meat with some lady's finger, and then kaddu ka patta. Yes. So guys, I'm gonna end my vlog here, and as I told you कि my siblings, they are not here, so I'm alone, तो इसलिए कुछ करने के ही नहीं है. Yeah, my God, but I'll try to make my vlog more interesting in my upcoming video. I think this vlog is kind of boring, maybe for you guys, because इतना कुछ नहीं था दिखाने को. Yeah, also my friends, some of my friends, they are not here, and some of them busy, and some of them don't know how to drive, including myself. I don't know how to drive. That's why it is getting difficult for us to meet each other. Well guys, thank you so much for watching once again, and don't forget to share, subscribe and like. Bye bye.